We'll guide you through how to update a contact in Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to contacts.google.com. This is where all your Google contacts are stored. Once you're on the contacts page, you'll see a list of all your saved contacts on the left side. Find the contact you want to update by scrolling through the list or using the search bar at the top. Click on the contact's name to open their details. Now, you'll see all the information you've saved for that contact. To edit any part of this, look for the pencil icon, which is usually located towards the top right of the contact's details panel. Click on it, and this will allow you to edit the contact's information. You can update their name, email, phone number, or any other details you have in there. Once you've made the necessary changes, be sure to click the Save button at the bottom right of the panel to ensure all your updates are stored. A quick tip: if you want to add more fields like a second email or a birthday, you can do that by clicking on the Add More Fields option that appears at the bottom of the contact edit form. This is especially handy if you want to keep detailed information about your contacts. And that's it. You've successfully updated a contact in Gmail. It's a simple process that keeps your contact list accurate and up to date. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.